Well, hello there, YouTube. Look at the state I'm in. Been like this since, it'll be a week tomorrow. I have bought a new Avon Cobra Trike tire, and I took the wheel off, took it into our local, a local shop that does it for me. They're a Harley shop, but they've been changing and put my front tires on for years. But anyway, I got it back on Friday, and they put the tire on in reverse, so it won't fit. If you guys know, familiar with these, familiar with these spacers, they only go on a certain way. See these spacers? This is the, here, I'll switch this over. That's the left side, that's the right side, so it only fits a certain way. You can't reverse them because they're different sizes that go inside the wheel as well. So I had to take it back on Friday, and there was no tech there because the rot rally was going on. So I'm waiting again until Monday, which is tomorrow. And we're leaving on our trip Saturday. Crack of dawn. We're leaving on our trip this coming Saturday. So I've had these parts laying here. So it'll be 7 days tomorrow. So it's all laying here waiting to get back together, and it's kind of driving me a little crazy because I don't like to leave all this stuff laying here. I want to get it all back together and take it for a test drive. I've already changed the oil. I've already greased the U-joints. I have topped off the rear brake fluid, verified the clutch fluid and the front brake fluid. Everything's fine, so the bike is fine. I just got to wait for the wheel to get back. So pain in the butt. I hate leaving this stuff here, but I'm starting to throw all the riding gear into the trailer, so we're getting that ready. So it's just kind of driving me crazy that we don't have this. I don't have this together yet. I've cleaned out my tour pack a little bit. I used to have a lot of riding gear in there, so I've cleaned that out pretty good. Got rid of the riding gear and put it in the trailer. So I always carry some zip ties, some electrical tape, and tools. I got a tool kit, so I always carry that kind of stuff. But anyway, this is driving me crazy leaving this thing for 8 days sitting here, because I'd like to get it done and get it ready to go. Anyway,